Welcome to Business Mathematics. My name is Joseph Abirala, and our topic for today is the comparison of simple interest with compound interest. Here we have an example of simple interest where the principal P is equal to 500 and the interest rate is 3% and the time is 3 years. So in computing for the interest amount, we have the principal multiplied by the interest rate multiplied by the time, which is 500 times 0.03 times 3. So we have an interest amount of 45. So in computing for the accumulated amount, we have the principal plus the interest amount. So we have 500 plus 45. So we have an accumulated amount of 545. Now, in computing for the compound interest, we have to compute it annually, since the compounding is in years, in annual. So for the first year, I1, our interest amount would be the principal multiplied by the interest rate multiplied by time, which is 1 year. So 500 multiplied by 0.03 multiplied by 1 year, 1 compounding. So we have 15. So the interest amount is 15. So, and the accumulated amount for the first year, A1, is the principal amount, P1, plus the interest amount, I1, equals 500 plus I15. So our accumulated amount for the first year would be 515. And this accumulated amount for the first year would be the principal for the second year. So, in computing for the interest amount on the second year, we have I2 equals P2. P2 are interest rate and the time. So, P2 is 515 multiplied by the interest rate of 0.03 multiplied by 1. So we have I2 equal to 515 times 0.03 times 1 equals 15.45. So in computing for the accumulated amount, we have A2 equals P2, principal for the second term, plus the interest amount on the second term. So we have P2 515 plus I2, which is 15.45. So we have an accumulated amount for the second term equal to 530.45. So this is the accumulated amount at the second term. Now this will then be our principal for the third term. So we have, for the third term, we have I3 equals P3 multiplied by the interest rate multiplied by the term time, which is for one compounding 1 equals P3 530.45 multiplied by the interest rate 0.03 multiplied by 1. So we have 530.45 times 0.03 equals 15.9135. Or just we could simplify it to 15.91. So our interest amount at the third term, at the third year, is 15.91. So our accumulated amount on the third year would be accumulate A3 equals P3, principal at the third year, plus I3, interest amount on the third year, which is P3 here, 530.45 plus 15.91 equals 545, no, 546.36. Okay, so this is the accumulated amount at the third year as compared to the accumulated amount using simple interest. So we can see that the accumulated amount at the third year is higher than the accumulated amount considering the simple interest. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.